Moroccan sea holly. I love it.
That's the one.
Yeah,
I love the colour.
It's a little
Well,
bit...
I like blue flowers, as you can tell.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sharp on the fingers though, so be careful.
Yes.
It's absolutely beautiful, and it's great for for like a Christmas wreath or something.
Yes.
It looks fantastic in a wreath. There are some really lovely gardens in the area that we live in, and one of them is behind me. So let's go and have a look and meet its lovely owner as well.
So this tree over here is what we call our buried lady.
Now, why would that be?
Well, just use your imagination.
I'm trying. Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh,
Yeah, she's got nice long legs, hasn't she?
Yes, she has, and she's busily flapping them, trying to get out. She goes, I can't breathe. You could put something in the middle, like put some little plant.
Yeah, well, she did grow a little bit of moss. Instead
Oh,
in the winter. Yeah.
oh, she's great. Fiona, hello.
Hello, Elizabeth.
Thank you so much for having
welcome.
us.
It's nice to have you here. I'm very excited.
Oh, that's so lovely. The garden is absolutely beautiful, as I imagined it would be. It is so. It sort of has this feeling of serenity and peace.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely. It's just a nice place to hang out.
And a lovely place to work, a lovely place to play.
Yeah.
It is massive though, so
Yes, it is.
how, with the professional career that you have,
Yes.
you both have,
Yes.
Andrew's over there,
Yeah.
how do you maintain something like this? How do you do it?
It is kind of all their time. COVID has been kind, so COVID gave us some time to feel like we were sort of in control of it, I guess.
Yeah, but
We've only
COVID-
been here for a couple of years, so
Yeah, how many years has it been now?
not quite 2.
Nearly 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first year was just really getting to know it and trying not to kill it. And then
So-
this year we've actually got to enjoy it more. My little button squash in
Let's
here.
see buttons. Oh, look at this beautiful button
There they
squash in
go.
here. Oh, that is fantastic.
Yeah.
Look at these.
Yeah.
Look at those flowers. Look at those.
Yeah. Everyone says, do I cook the zucchini flowers?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And I probably don't have enough time for that. To be
No.
honest. I like the idea of it. But probably
were-
ordering them in a restaurant, to be honest.
Yeah.
Thai basil there. Lots of tomatoes, so there's all different sorts. Got an heirloom coming along down there.
And they're all
Be interesting to see. Yeah.
flowering beautifully, so there'll be a lot of
tiny
fruit.
little fruit.
Look, look, look.
So I pick a few of those for dinner each night. See through there, there's stacks of them in there.
The soil is perfect.
Yeah, and there's some yellow ones over in that bed. Spring onions are well past their time, but I just like them 'cause
Flower.
they look
The
pretty.
flower. We love the flower.
Yeah, and the bees like them. Yeah, I just
They
think
do,
they
they're
look
great for
nice.
the
So
bees.
a lot of things I kind of just leave because little baby tomatoes growing there. Yeah, first little fruit.
And you've got some lovely sage and some sage
Like a
flowers.
stack of sage, coriander here, and basil.
Habanero chilies down here.
Yes, a bit of a mixture.
Cameraman will be pleased about that because he loves his chili. Gosh, everything is doing so well.
So I think it does well because it's quite protected in here.
And it's obviously it gets plenty of sun, and the Scarecrow's helping as well. It's just so beautiful that I would just want to spend my time wandering around and enjoying it, not working in it, but I also would wonder how I would keep up with it. So you say you've been here 2 years, so you know the garden relatively well by now.
Yeah.
Is it a garden that you would just really just want to maintain, or do you have plans to make lots of changes to it?
The basic layout we would probably maintain. The current project is the front fence, so there'll be quite a lot of work to do.
Yes, we've noticed that.
At the front and on an enormous nature strip.
Yeah.
I just find little projects basically and sort of...
Do little bits at a time.
Yeah, I'm not good at planning. I tend to go and find the plant that I like and then work out where I'm going to put it.
Well, there's bound to be somewhere it's going to go with this massive garden. How big is it?
So I know that massive planting is a good idea, but I still go out and find something that I like.
Hello, Ted. Hello, Stanley.
It's obviously a very English-style garden with the rhododendrons, the camellias, the
stacks
hydrangeas.
of all
It
of
is
those,
so
yeah.
English
Yeah.
and so
Yeah.
gorgeous. All the things that I love as well.
Come in, go boom, 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 and we'll take it down in the next
You almost need like a
A frame.
We've got a lot of bulbs actually, so they come up in the springtime too.
Yes.
So those silverge, yes, that's just thick with bulbs.
Daffodils and
Daffodils
narcissus and all sorts of different things.
Yeah, and lots of bluebells come up.
That looks beautiful over there behind the cameraman. The fence, you've got a new fence going in. Those
Yeah, look at
hydrangeas look
that.
fantastic against
Yes.
that fence. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, so the fence is going to be white.
Okay, gorgeous.
Yeah.
That'll be
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So I think that will look nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, and I can see an orchard over here. How fantastic. Tell us what you've got.
We've got lemon here, obviously.
Amazingly
Staked up with our
healthy.
old tea tree fence. That's a quince.
Okay. Okay, Quince behind.
Yeah, stacks of
chamomile.
apples and some cute little pears. Yeah.
This is lovely. Look at that. Well, the thing with fruit is they're just so wonderful and so rewarding, but they can be really troublesome as well, can't they?
Troublesome, and they are quite a lot of work.
Sensitive.
Yes. A couple of days.
Fiona, serious talk now.
Yes, okay.
Thousands and thousands of plants I imagine there are in this garden. How on earth do you water them all? It's so expensive for you.
Well, we have a bore, which is just over there. In the middle of the
Down
trees.
underneath that green solenoid thing.
That's right. That pumps to a desalination unit that we've got.
Right.
And then the water's then stored in tanks, and then it's irrigation around the garden. So
That job done. With your busy professional life, at the end of a busy day, there's a dog in the garden. You must come home and find a spot somewhere to unwind. Is there a particular spot?
a lot of the time I'm not sitting. I'm in the garden, so I walk around with my secateurs, or I pull out weeds.
So you come
weed
home,
piles of mess.
get your secateurs and start wandering around and
I do.
and making a mess.
Yeah, I do that.
And who picks up the mess? Come over here.
My
Look.
husband. I get something 3/4 done.
Oh, that's
Leave a
frustrating.
mess.
I couldn't do that. I have to.
I know you couldn't do it. And then
wish
I
I
go
could.
off and find something else.
I love you talking about. Yeah, I've got to be careful with the road. Fee, thank you so much for letting us walk around this absolutely beautiful garden.
It's my pleasure. Oh, it's been lovely having you.
Thank you. I am almost tempted to grab a book and go and sit down in one of these million spots and just relax, because it is so, so beautiful.
Yeah, it's a very peaceful place.
It sure is. So we hope that you have enjoyed this beautiful tour as much as we have, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.